Right, so I just want to take you through Kilimo Anga basically and how our AngaView dashboard works. So in essence, Kilimo Anga is basically a three-tiered technology that uses multispectral imaging, AngaCam. We have Anga Cloud, which is our intelligent analytics engine, cloud-based processing pipeline, and we have AngaView, where you actually get a chance to see this data. When you come to our website, which is where we are now, kilimoanga.kipepeo space, you get to see this. An NDVI image of the background is something you can easily access from the website, but I guess if you want to do your own thing, it makes more sense to have a look at the dashboard, so that's where we're going to go. And we are back. So ideally, we were using a one-time passcode, so no need for a password. You just log in your email, and I had previously logged in, that's why it's coming in. Ideally, it should ask you for a one-time passcode that you get on your email. So once you have logged in, it takes a bit of time for it to open the dashboard, and as you can see, here's the dashboard. We have different pages: the dashboard, register farm, where you add a new farm, process, where you have to start the processing, and gallery, where you get a chance to see your vegetative indices. So I'm not going to go through some of the processing steps in this case, but just use an example. For instance, this Nairobi farm. To be able to register a farm, you basically have to put in an ID, such Nairobi, and upload or drag and drop a bunch of images, and just click on the register farm and upload images. It will bring you directly to this page, and you can click on the image on the farm that you're interested in. In this case, we uploaded images for Nairobi already, and we want to do indices for value. So once you start the processing, once you click this button, it should then now begin the processing in the background, and after a while you should be able to go to gallery and have a look at your farm. So the farm that we had uploaded in the back end before this video was basically two images that were taken during one of our test flights at Kipepeo Aerospace, and you can see them here. This is image 1 and this is image 2. A beautiful feature as well, these images are stored in our database, so you have a chance to also have a backup, and in case you need the images again, you can always just download, say if you lost them somewhere on your personal storage. Then you can see what happens here is a mosaic is created, so the images are stitched. This is basically what happens with drone images. You take a series of different images, all geotag, and then you bring them together to create one big image of the farm, as you can see here. And we had selected valley indices, and that's what you get to see here. As you can see, as was in the image before, this place was not, didn't have a lot of vegetation. We had a tree somewhere over here, and then we had a bit of green in this pit over here, just so you can see a nice comparison of what it is that we have viewed. Here it is. As you can see, this place was orange and almost red, and then we had patches of green over here and over there. Right, so that is basically how the AngaView dashboard works for now. We are working on improvements in terms of having an analytics dashboard where you can be able to see analytics for your farm, not just the images, and this is coming later, but for now this is our first step. Thank you very much, and I hope you'll take a look at AngaView. Thank you.